my channel, or if you're new, then hi, my name's Jade and I post 2 to 3 videos a week here on my channel, ranging from a variety of different videos from motherhood, beauty, lifestyle, fashion, vlogs, you name it, a whole variety of different videos. If those are the sorts of videos that you do like to watch and you want to stick around, then make sure that you do hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click that notification bell, because then you will get notified every time a video goes up. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure that you do give it a big thumbs up as well. So today's video is an exciting video because I'm going to be testing out and reviewing the brand new FOREO Luna Mini 3. I'm so excited. The FOREO is a Swedish company. They do lots of different varieties of these facial cleansing massagers. So yeah, I'm going to be testing out the Luna Mini 3. I'm super excited, so let's just get straight into the video. So it's a cleansing device especially designed for active skin. So perfect for gym goers. It's the perfect size to go in your gym bag and just anyone really who's quite an active person. So basically what this does is it's gentle yet powerful. It uses T-sonic pulsation to work effortlessly to remove dirt, oil and sweat for a fresh glowing skin, which sounds amazing to me. So with the Luna Mini 3, it's got an all new glow boost mode, which reveals a healthy radiant complexion, which is just amazing. 30-second cleanse, so quick and time consuming if you are a busy mum, for example, like me, who hasn't got time to really, sit there and do a full facial and you just want a quick cleanse. This is perfect. The glow boost mode is perfect. 30-second cleanse that's really going to deeply cleanse your skin. It sounds amazing to me. So the Luna Mini 3 is perfect for your daily skincare and post-workout cleansing. So it's gently effective and it's going to remove all the dirt, oil and sweat after exercise or any activity. The thing I love about this is it's compact, it's lightweight, it's 100% waterproof. The silicone is non-abrasive, so it's not really harsh, it's not going to irritate your skin or anything like that. And it's ultra hygienic, so you don't even have to replace the heads, and it's not going to get covered in bacteria or anything like that. So that's fab to know, and that's amazing, so that you can literally just clean it and reuse it all the time. So it says that Luna Mini 3 is perfect to use before you work out and after you work out or any kind of activity, because if you go into the gym with makeup on, it's going to prevent the detoxing process, and it's going to block all your pores, which leads to breakouts. So I know a lot of girls go to the gym with makeup on. I know I have myself. But yeah, if you go into the gym with makeup on, all the makeup's you're going to get all sweaty, the makeup's going to get into your pores and it's going to sit deep into the pores and the skin, and your skin's going to be really dirty, it's going to be prone to breakouts basically. So yeah, let's get it out of its box and let's test it out and let's show you. So it comes in the box, oh my god, comes like this in the box, and then it also comes with the little charger as well. So it comes with the little charging device which you can charge it. Basically you have to download the FOREO app and you're going to register an account. So you're going to create an account and you're just going to put in your email address, your name, password, all that kind of stuff, create an account. So I'm going to do that now and show you. So I've put in all my details, I've clicked create an account, and then they send you a verification code to your email address. So I've put the verification code in. So you're just going to click on the Luna Mini 3 because that's the one we've got, and then you're going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Okay, so it's connected, and as you can see it's come up there, Luna Mini 3, and then we're going to use it. So what I need to do is wet my face. So you're just going to wet your face. Just going to dampen my skin, and then I'm going to pop on the FOREO microfoam cleanser which came with it. I'm just going to pop a bit in my hand, and then I'm just going to apply that to my skin. I don't know how much, I'm not going to use too much. Okay, so I've got the cleanser on my face, and I'm just going to lightly wet the bristles just a tad, so it's a little bit wet, so I just dipped it in some water, and then we're going to press start on our app, and then it says press and hold the button for 5 seconds. So we're going to press, and so it'll come up like this, cleansing mode, and then you've got there 60 seconds. You can change it to any time. You can change it to longer than 60 seconds if you want, and you can change the intensity. So if you don't want it on 8, so it comes up on 8, which is what I've set it to, you can lower it or you can higher it if you want. So I'm just going to put it on 7, and then I'm going to press start. Oh, and then you just basically want to massage it. If you watch what the woman does, she basically tells you what to do. So you're just massaging it into the forehead first, and then it should pulsate like that, which means to move it to the next area of your face. This is so good. It feels weird, not gonna lie. When I first used it, it felt really weird, like a weird sensation, but honestly, it feels amazing. Like, it feels like I'm having like the best cleanse that my skin can have. So again, it's pulsated, so move it to the next area of your face. This is just fab, honestly. It feels amazing. Okay, so that's done. 60 seconds is done. And now I'm just gonna take a cloth, take all this cleanser off, and then I'll be right back. So once you've taken out the cleanser off, you're just gonna obviously pat your skin dry with a towel. Ooh, my skin feels so good. Like, look at my skin already, and that's just one cleanse. Like, my skin is feeling amazing. I'm just gonna finish off with my normal skincare routine. I would normally go in and just tone my face afterwards. So my skin is quite, I would say it's quite dry, and I definitely think that the Lunar Mini 3 has helped my skin, because my skin just feels a lot plumper and firmer, because obviously it's like massaging your skin, so it's like toning your skin, and it definitely feels like my face has had a workout, I'm not gonna lie. So it feels really good. Ooh, feels amazing. So after I've toned, I normally put on a bit of serum and then a bit of moisturiser. So I've just popped a little bit of serum into my fingers, and I'm just going to apply that. But yeah, my skin does feel amazing. I've been using the Lunar Mini 3 now for just over a week, and I have to say I'm really impressed. Like, I feel like my skin has never had it's never had a good cleanse like this. I'm like all for like little gadgets and all that kind of stuff. I'm just obsessed with that kind of stuff, like facial things. Bit of moisturiser on now. So I think my favourite thing about this product has to be that you can have a 30-second cleanse, like the 30-second cleanse, the glow boost mode. To have a cleanse for 30 seconds, like being a busy mum, that to me just sounds fab. Like, I can just go to bed at night, before I go to bed at night, I can just go into the bathroom, a quick cleanse, perfect, amazing. It's perfect for me because I'm going on holiday in like, how long am I going on holiday? In like 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks maybe. And I'm going to be taking this on holiday. It's perfect. It's like the perfect little companion. It's travel size, it's compact. It's going to fit in my hand luggage. So that if I'm getting a bit, you know, like sweaty, clammy, and I'm feeling a bit gross on the plane, I can just crack this out of my hand luggage and give myself a little facial on the plane, a little 30-second cleanse. And that is just fab. That sounds amazing to me, like perfect. That is probably my favourite feature of the Lunar Mini 3, like 100%. Like, my skin, oh my god guys, my skin just feels so good. It feels like really refreshed, it feels really glowy, it feels very like plump, like you can feel like the elasticity in my skin, because obviously it's a massager, a facial massager, so it's like, you know, it's like giving your skin a bit of a workout and tightening it. So it definitely feels a lot firmer and tighter, and it feels really good. It looks really good as well. So the Lunar Mini 3 is perfect to use before and after your workout. Now, I've never really been one to like even cleanse before a workout. I've always done it after I've worked out, you know, just like your basic facial. But since using this afterwards, it's definitely changed, like my whole skincare routine has changed. And now I do use this a lot. It's just amazing. It fits perfect into like my skincare routine, because the glow boost mode is just perfect for me because I'm a busy mum. So another thing that I love about this app as well is that it has a mirror mode. So when you press the mirror mode, oh yeah, it is there. Literally, I don't know if you can see, yourself a little mirror there, which is perfect. And I'm not even joking, my skin is looking so good. And another great thing about the app is that once you've registered, once you've connected your Lunar Mini 3 up to the device, you don't have to use the app if you don't want to. You can literally just turn it on by the button and then just use it, and it'll save your the intensity, and everything like that, your preferences, it will all be saved, and you literally just turn it on with a button at the back and it will do it as it normally does, like a couple of seconds, then it'll like pulsate, move. So you don't even have to use the app once you have connected it together, so you can just use it on its own, which is fab. So I will leave all the links and all the information to the Luna Mini 3 down in the description box if you want to go and check it out for yourself. But I honestly am so impressed, and I've been using this, again, as I say, I've been using it for over a week. My skin is definitely improved. It just looks a lot more refreshed. It looks a lot brighter as well, and really clear. My skin is looking so clear. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.